Handheld steamers for clothes are convenient tools that quickly remove wrinkles and freshen fabrics without the need for an ironing board. Today, we're diving into the world of wrinkle-free fashion with a look at the top 5 handheld steamers for clothes. For more details and prices, check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Conair Handheld Garment Steamer. The turbo handheld steamer combines the performance of an iron with the convenience of steam. It's perfect for instantly smoothing out wrinkles in both clothing and upholstery, and it even kills 99.9% of germs, dust mites, and bed bugs. It heats up in just 40 seconds and has a 7.3-ounce water tank, giving you up to 15 minutes of continuous steam. It comes with a silicone band to pull fabric taut, a delicate fabric spacer to protect fine materials, and a bristle brush for penetrating steam on heavy fabrics. These attachments ensure you get the perfect press every time. Conair's fabric steamers are versatile. This model is part of their innovative garment care line, which includes everything from fabric shavers to traditional irons. While no product is flawless, some users find it slightly heavy to hold for long periods. Yet, the Conair handheld garment steamer shines with its potent steam and user-friendly design, making it a staple for keeping clothes and home textiles fresh. Number 2. Newbealer Steamer for Clothes. The Newbealer steamer heats up in just 20 seconds thanks to its powerful 1200W heating element. With 2 steam levels ranging from 16 to 24 grams per minute, it efficiently removes wrinkles. The high-temperature sole plate not only smooths your clothes but also deep cleans and removes odors with 248° Fahrenheit steam. One standout feature is its 360-degree leak-proof technology. You can steam from any angle without worrying about drips or spills. With a 180 milliliters capacity, you get up to 10 minutes of continuous steam, perfect for multiple garments in one go. Though a few users mentioned the small water tank necessitates frequent refills, the Newbealer handheld steamer impresses with fast heating, versatile steaming, and portability, enhancing your garment care regimen. Number 3. NTAYDZSW Steamer for Clothes. With an impressive 1800 watts, this steamer delivers a continuous steam output of up to 20 grams per minute. One of the best features is the 8.79-ounce removable water tank. It's super convenient to refill and ensures you have an uninterrupted flow of steam. The compact design makes it the perfect travel companion. With its self-standing base, it's easy to store in tight spaces or take with you on the go. Versatility is key. Use it on furniture, pet beds, and even children's toys without worrying about hot water spitting or leaks. Some users find it bulky to handle for extended periods, which could be a drawback. Still, the NTAYDZSW steamer for clothes delivers powerful steam, convenience, and versatility, ensuring wrinkle-free and sanitized clothes and home essentials. Number 4. Nesugar Steamer for Clothes. With a powerful 900W heating element, the Nesugar steamer heats up in just 15 seconds. It produces soft, long-lasting dry steam with just one button, making it super easy to use. The rotating head allows for various operation positions, making it perfect for all types of fabrics. In the box, you get a garment steamer, a flannel storage bag, a wall mount bracket, and a user manual. It even includes a double-sided adhesive for easy wall mounting. And with a 365-day warranty, you can steam with peace of mind. Although the water tank is small and requires frequent refills for larger tasks, the Nesugar steamer for clothes excels with its rapid heating, portability, and versatile steaming capabilities. Number 5. Electrolux Handheld Garment and Fabric Steamer. In just 30 seconds, it's ready to transform your clothes from frazzle to crisp, giving them that's like new a look. From delicate silk to heavy curtains, this steamer takes proper care of all fabrics. With 18 minutes of continuous steaming, you can ensure your attire looks impeccable and your home stays wrinkle-free. Simply glide it up and down your clothing or drapes for instantly straight and creaseless results. Finish off with the 2-in-1 fabric and lint brush to make your textiles perfectly presentable. With adjustable steam levels and a long 12-foot cord, you're always in complete control. While a few users mentioned the small water tank might need frequent refills for larger tasks, the Electrolux handheld garment and fabric steamer delivers professional-grade results, convenience, and safety features. Thank you for joining us as we explored the world of premium handheld steamers for clothes. Let us know which ones caught your attention in the comments below. Don't forget to show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing.